Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about NIO and the building of a second plant in Hefei, China, which has now been confirmed, and other news related to NIO and its competition in China. Stay tuned and let's hop right into it. It has been now confirmed that the construction of NIO's second plant has entered the construction bidding stage, a month after a tender notice for clearing the land for the plant was issued. The Hefei Public Resources Exchange Center issued a tender announcement Tuesday to recruit contractors for the construction of a new energy passenger vehicle body parts project for Anhui Jiangyue Automobile Group Company. The announcement did not specify that the project is NIO's second plant, but Chinese site CLS.cn quoted the project manager as saying, "This project is the second plant Jack is building for NIO, and the current production capacity is no longer enough." The announcement shows that the estimated contract price of the project is about $54 million, and the total construction can take up to 370 days of work. This will include a new painting shop, PDI workshop, energy center and sewage treatment station, parking lot for finished vehicles, and the shipping yard for finished vehicles. It has a planned construction area of about 274,800 square meters. It includes an area of 255,760 square meters for the renovation of the punching and welding combined plant, final assembly workshop and quality center and a former passenger car plant, and 19,040 square meters for the new material preparation room and related supporting auxiliary facilities. It is definitely a piece of great news for the electric vehicle maker as they definitely need an extra plant to keep up with the super high demand for its vehicles. NIO has delivered more than 43,700 vehicles in 2020, which is a 112.6% increase comparing to 2019, and it's definitely looking to deliver even more in 2021 as the company expects the European expansion with its new luxury sedan ET7, which is already available for pre-order with first deliveries taking place in 2022. Currently, a single share price of NIO is around $59, around 10% less from its all-time high price of $67 which was set after the NIO's announcement of possible expansion and a new luxury sedan ET7. With the confirmation of building a new site in China, NIO shares are expected to grow even more as the company is willing to deliver a record number of vehicles in 2021. As always, thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel if you would like to hear more news regarding NIO in the future.